बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एवरीडे साइंस से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी वन पेपर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ द जेमस्टोन्स रबी एंड सैफिस आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड दैट इज़ ट्रू. Which form of the drug abuse involves most risk of infection with the HIV/AIDS virus, that is cigarette smoking? Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air, that is hydrogen sulfide? Which of the following is most elastic? इनमें से रबर, ग्लास, स्पॉन्जी, स्टील कौन सी चीज़ है जो कि ज़्यादा इलास्टिक है? दैट इज़ स्टील. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू है काइंडली चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा. इससे हमारी भी हौसला अफजाई होगी और आपका भी फ़ायदा होगा. NASA scientists have recently detected water vapor on which Jupiter's moon, that is Europe? The left lung has 2 lobes while the right lung has 3 lobes. That is true. Ring planet is Alhamdulillah. Ring planet is Saturn, least dense and second largest planet, that is Saturn. A constellation is a group of stars in the heavens. Galileo discovered that falling bodies have same acceleration. The lowest region of the Earth's atmosphere comes between the Earth and stratosphere. What is this region's name? That is troposphere. And the next is which triple in DNA codes for valine, that is CTT? Which of the following planets is dropped from the list of planet in 2006? That is Pluto. The SI unit of heat is joule. आपको इस चैनल पर पीपीएससी इंग्लिश लेक्चर और एफपीएससी इंग्लिश लेक्चर की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी. सो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. Which of the following bonds are weakest in nature? That is hydrogen bond. Milk is pasteurized because to kill bacteria. Which of the following is not a human organ system? That is integumentary. Which one of the following hormones contains iodine? That is thyroxine. The alpha particle is more passive than an electron is about times, that is 700. Philology is the study of philology जो study है, that is the study of languages. The part of neuron which receives messages are, that is dendrites. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.